Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you Python lists. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna create a variable called my list. My list equals to apple, banana, and cherry. Now we're gonna print the my list, and yeah, it's gonna print the list. So now you could add duplicates if you want, like cherry again and banana again. Yeah, it won't be a problem. Now, if you wanna print the length of the list, you could also do that by printing the length and putting the my list in. And it's gonna say 5, even though it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's true. Um, I thought that because lists in Python have a thing like 0. The first item is 0, the second item is 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah. Now we could do list data types too. So we're gonna do list 1 equal to um, apple, banana, and mango. Mm, yeah, doesn't matter. And the list 2 we could do 1, 2, 3. List 3 equals to true, false, and true. Now we could do the type. So print type. Let's see if this works. Yeah, class list. Also do this. Print list 1, and over here put the list brackets, and over here do number 1. You can see it says banana, and remember what I said before, that in the list it counts as 0, 1, 2, 3. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it adds a 0 in the start and does the rest of the numbers like that. You could also end, if you do 5, there is gonna be a list index out of range error, aka index error. Now, if you do a program where list 1 does 6 and do, I mean, try, try, except index error, print index error. So you don't get that big red message. And yeah, that's all it for today. Or let me check. Yeah, that's all it for today. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow for Python Tuples. But peace.